How to cook easy Mongolian beef stir fry. First things first, let's slice beef into strips. Next, place them in a bowl and add 1/4 cup of flour. Make sure that the meat is fully coated. And then we set aside. Next, we make the sauce. Put 1 teaspoon of grated ginger in a bowl. Add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of honey, 1/4 cup of water, 1/3 cup of low sodium soy sauce, and some chili flakes. Mix everything well and set aside. Next, we heat oil in a pan and we add the cut carrots and green onions. We saute for 3 minutes. And then once done, set aside. Next, we heat some oil again, and this time we add now the beef. Cook it for some minutes. And then afterwards, we pour the sauce. Cover and cook for a few minutes more. Next, we add in the veggies. Give it a little mix. And we're done. Thank you for watching.